Good morning, everyone. This is going to be my sixth vlog. It is 7:50 in the morning. Right now, I am heading towards my field. As I said you in my previous video, that we have planted wheat on our field, and birds are destroying our wheat. So I am going to see if birds are destroying or not. There is chair dangling on my back, and this is current affairs book which I am studying while uh, watching our crops. This is the wheat which I'll try to protect it today from birds. Actually, it has now become a regular routine as I've been coming to this field uh, to protect the wheat. And right now, luckily, nobody is harming, but they are coming. I think they are on their way. They are preparing, and still there is a time. It is just 7, as I said, 50 in the morning, 7:50 a.m. in the morning. So till 10 o'clock, uh, I am staying here. Yesterday also I stayed on this field, but I could not shoot the video as so many people were with me. This is going to be my place where I will be sitting about 2 hours. This is the whole crop that I'll be watching, I'll be protecting. I will have to roam this whole field for about 2 hours, and then my duty will be over, as there is no one at my home. If you could see, there are birds. They just flew away by seeing me. So I was saying, there is no one at my home right now except my mother and me. She is preparing food. She is preparing breakfast, and so it's my duty to watch out our crops. If I do not come here on the field, it will there will be nothing left for the year to eat. So I am here to protect these crops. Not only our crops, uh, I'll be protecting my neighbors' crops also, as they are staying far from here. Uh, that is my chair, and now my exam is very near. It is only 5 days away, so 5 or 7 days away, I think. So I'll have to study hard. Right now, uh, if you are hearing loud voices in this video, that's because people are protecting uh, their field. I'll show you how we will protect, what is the method of protecting, the authentic method that we've been following to protect our field by doing. Ah! Ah! This is the process of protecting our uh, crops. This is the method that we've been using since long time. I do not know about in the other part of the world what is the process, what is the method of I think they might be using technologies, as we are living in the advanced world, in the very developed world, where no more these types of method are used for farming, because farmers are also using new equipments, new machinery, advanced machinery uh, for the cultivation of crops. But we are living since we are living in the remote and rustic place, so we we are in a lack of technologies and new and scientific methods and equipments that are used for farming. Hence I am using my voice. Not only voice, here we use this physical body more than the use of machines and equipments. We use our physical body, performing not only in the field of farming, in the other field also, let's say in the field of military, army, and other field. So many fields where now machine is required to perform that task, where while in the other parts of the world, machines are being used by people to perform the task. But in our country, in our nation, in our village, we are using our body still to perform the same task, uh, while in other country that task is being performed by machine. As uh, I'd not say the backward, but still my village, uh, I live in a remote place, it is rustic one, it is remote. So I hope in the future we'll be using all the machinery and advanced technology in every field, but right now we are not using. So I am here trying to study and at the same time trying to protect these crops, because not only me, all the people of my country, most of the people of my country, I would say 90%, I would say at least 80%, we are living like this only. So it is so pathetic, because now technology just roaming around you. It is all the direction. You are surrounded, you are bounded with the technology. In spite of being that, we are not able to make use of a single product. So I think bird are coming. I will have to stop my speech right now. So ah! And right now birds are flying in the sky. They are hovering in the sky. They are fully prepared. They are in groups trying to destroy our wheat, trying to have their breakfast, morning breakfast. And the big worries for them is that it is about 10 o'clock in the morning. I think they did not have their breakfast yet. So I cannot help them, because more than the bird, more than the birds, we are dependent upon these crops. If I let them have their breakfast, then what will we eat for the rest of the year? So I cannot let them have their breakfast. Please, bots, try to understand my problems. My problems are bigger than yours, because you these bots can fly, and they can destroy, they can have their breakfast all in the world, wherever they want. They do not need visa, they do not need uh, passport, they do not need money. All they need is intention, you know so they can fly anywhere in the world and have their breakfast anywhere in the any corner of the world. But right now they have chosen my field, and I am here, a big abstract in their plan. So, and the problem for them is that they cannot even solve on their own. So right now my intention are not leaving this field, and their intention is also not leaving this field. They are just hovering from one corner to another corner, and I am making noises the authentic way, the traditional way that we've been following to protect our field from getting damaged from by the birds. Oh, some birds are, oh my god, they are destroying crops. Let me go. Ah! 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 From few days I'm not doing any exercise, as ah! these birds are, at least I am running, I think 2 to 3 kilometers in whole day, from one corner to another corner of the field. Ah! 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 Oh my god, they were in group, guys, at least 200 parrots were having their breakfast on our field while I was making video. And see, now they flew away. So I was saying I have stopped doing exercise in the morning because of this only. These birds are just squeezing my all of energy. I am huffing, exhausted at the same time. I am huffing and exhausted at the same time, as they have squeezed all of my energy. See, this is the wheat, a source of, I think wheat is the good source of iron. If my fact is correct, if I am telling correct, then write down in the comment. If I am not, then also write down in the comment section. That's all for today's vlog, guys, because I'm really hungry, and it is right now 11 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to have my breakfast or brunch. But before leaving, I would like to say to you guys that I know my videos are not that good. My video quality is not that good. I do not have editing skill. I do not have speaking skill. My videos are not smooth. In spite of everything, if you still like my videos, my posting on YouTube, please do like and subscribe this channel and write down your valuable suggestions in the comment sections. As the channel name suggests, that exchanging life, I'll try to show you guys that lifestyle we've been following, the culture of our people, the traditions that we follow, that we practice, to whoever will be watching this video or whoever watches this video. So thank you so much for watching videos from this channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like videos from this channel, please never forget to subscribe and like. Being a new vlogger, your support is very necessary for me to grow and to become stronger. So I hope you all guys gonna support me. So once again, thank you so much for watching all the videos from this channel, and see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye.